Securiscape has taken its Glide Bollard system to the next level, testing at 40 miles per hour, giving it the coveted IWA rating, offering the ultimate in security, safety and operational simplicity. To open the barrier, slot the lifting keys into the slots and turn the key to release the catches. The roadway section can then be lifted out. Remove the pin which holds the bollard in place. Now we can slide the bollard towards the fixed bollard at the end of the opening. Replace the section of roadway. Do the same with the remaining bollards which you wish to move in a similar way, removing the pin and sliding the bollards to the end. The Glide 40 bollards have all the characteristics of the original Glide system, being able to move one or all of the bollards to accommodate any size of vehicle, from the smallest of cars to the largest of lorries. We can also accommodate stops from front to back or from side to side. It really is that simple. We have added another fantastic feature in that the bollard system is now interchangeable. You can put it in either way round, meaning that installation is even simpler, and it can be used to stop vehicles getting in or out. Once the vehicle has gained access, the bollards can be placed back in position to close off the area and protect pedestrians. At just 240mm deep, the Securiscape Glide Bollard 40 system is, we think, the best and most affordable on the market. It avoids extensive and costly excavations. Just dig the trench and drop it in. The units come ready for action and can be installed in just 1 hour. This unique, patent-pending product can be made to your exact specification. The system carries an IWA 14 rating, which specifies essential performance for a hostile vehicle mitigation barrier. You are about to witness an extreme test carried out at MIRA, the prestigious Motor Industry Research Association facility at Hinckley, England, under the most rigorous scientific test conditions. A 7.2-tonne lorry was accelerated up to a speed of 40 miles per hour immediately prior to impact. Let's see how the Securiscape Glide Bollard stood up to the massive forces involved in stopping this truck. As the lorry hits the bollards, you can see that the front axle has literally been stopped in its tracks. It has been ripped clear of the chassis by the high security bollards. As the rear axle hits the front axle and the bollards, the lorry stops dead and the remaining momentum is absorbed as it overturns. Securiscape Glide Bollard 40, protecting people in public places.